Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what is hands down the best hard anodized 1.5-quart saucepan you can find right now. The Cuisinart Chef's Classic Non-Stick Hard Anodized 1.5-Quart Saucepan with Lid. Now, let's start with the basics. If you're someone who appreciates durability, even heat distribution, and effortless cleanup, this saucepan is about to become your new favorite kitchen companion. Cuisinart has long been a trusted name in cookware, and this little powerhouse fits perfectly into their legacy. Right out of the box, this saucepan feels solid but not overly heavy. It's made of hard anodized aluminum, which is actually stronger than stainless steel. That means it's not just built to last, it's built to perform. The heat conduction is fast and even, so you won't find those annoying hot spots that ruin delicate sauces or scorch milk. Now let's talk about what's inside. The non-stick coating here is something special. It's called Quantanium, and it's reinforced with titanium. You're not just getting non-stick convenience. You're getting a surface that's designed to release food easily and stand up to daily use without flaking or peeling. No butter or oil required, unless you want it for flavor. You'll be able to cook healthier, clean up faster, and avoid those messy, sticky messes that haunt other pans. One of the key design features is the Stay Cool stainless steel handle. It's riveted, so it's sturdy and built to last, but it's also shaped to feel great in your hand. Even when things get hot, the handle doesn't, so you can maneuver it confidently from stovetop to oven. Yes, this saucepan is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're finishing a dish or keeping something warm, that's a nice bonus. The lid is made of break-resistant tempered glass, giving you a clear view of your cooking without letting heat or moisture escape. It's especially great when you're simmering sauces, making oatmeal, or reducing broth. You can watch it progress without lifting the lid and losing all that precious heat. Let's talk size. At 1.5 quarts, this saucepan is ideal for everyday cooking. Whether you're melting butter, heating soup, or making a small batch of pasta sauce, it's the kind of pan you'll reach for constantly. It's not oversized, so it fits easily on smaller burners or induction tops. Though keep in mind, this particular model is not induction compatible. Dimensions-wise, it's roughly 13 inches in depth, 15 inches in width, and 10 inches in height. Despite that, it only weighs about a pound, making it light enough for one-handed use, even when full. As for care, you'll want to stick to hand washing. Even though it's easy to clean, the coating will last much longer if you skip the dishwasher. That's why it's not just a top seller. It's also Amazon's choice in its category, with over 11,000 positive ratings to back it up. To sum it all up, the Cuisinart Chef's Classic 1.5-Quart Hard Anodized Saucepan is the kind of tool that elevates everyday cooking. It's durable, smartly designed, and performs exactly how a great saucepan should. Whether you're an amateur in the kitchen or a seasoned home chef, this pan will become a staple in your cookware lineup. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this sounds like the saucepan for you, you can find the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a review. See you next time with another honest look at the products you care about.